Welcome back to the Tech Space. I hope you guys can bear with me for this tutorial or this challenge video, your first challenge video of the C++ series. My camera's dead and I can't overlay the video without a camera, so I'm going to be using this USB webcam, which isn't the best, but it gets the job done, at least so you guys can see and identify with who the hell is talking to you and teaching you this in the first place. So, if you want a little background on me, go check out my other videos, but other than that, this isn't really going to be the hardest video. I just want to again make a challenge for the first 5 videos. So if you've watched the first 5 videos, here we go. We're going to go ahead and start this challenge series. Keep watching, keep grinding, keep paying attention, keep taking notes. Once you're done with this series, I promise you, you will be a master at C++. You'll be a master programmer, and you'll be able to learn any language that you want. So you can take this language, throw it over, learn another language, learn Java, learn JavaScript, learn Python, learn SQL. You'll learn HTML, CSS. You can learn all these languages simple because you'll learn from these tutorials how to speak to a computer in general, and that's basically the biggest thing when it comes to computer programming, is learning what things and what the computer is going to listen and respond to. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the problem, so you can watch this video and see me explain it, or you can pause the video and try the challenge by yourself. Post the challenge. You can @ me on Twitter. Please @ me on Twitter. Actually, I want to see you guys' code. I want to see how you guys program, whether you can time lapse it, edit it or not. Record it with no voice, just to film the screen using Screencast-O-Matic or some other screen recording software. Send it to me. So other than that, thank you guys for watching, and we're going to jump straight into this. So here is the problem. We're going to create a program. I can explain it before I write it. We're going to create a program that accepts 10 user inputs and then displays the user inputs, numbering them 1 through 10 to the user. So you're going to number, if I entered the word outside for number 1, then number 1 is going to have to say outside, and you have to output that to the user when they're done. So only when they're done do you output anything to the user. So create a program that consists of 10 string variables and ask the user to enter 10 different strings. So what we're going to do is solve this. You can go ahead and pause it now if you'd like, but other than that, we're going to get straight into it. So if you remember, to create a variable, we have to accept, we're going to create this looking from a student point of view, not a teacher's point of view. We're going to create a program that has 10 string variables. So we need to create somewhere where a user can enter those 10 string variables, because they're going to be entering them. We're not going to be declaring them. So I'm going to say string A, and for this I'm not going to use an array, just because I want it to be sort of longhand. So A, B, C, D, E, unassign them, and then we're just going to make another line and say F, G, H, I, J. And then we're going to say to the user, will you enter 10 different words or phrases? We're going to end that line. See what we have so far in the program. So when we run it, we get, will you enter 10 different words or phrases? So we're going to enter a question mark here and move to the next line, where we're going to say CIN. Of course, we're going to accept the user's input, and we're going to store the first thing they enter in A, second thing they enter in B, and so on and so on. So we're going to make 10 of these, and to save time again, I'm going to copy and paste it. Now, I don't know why that happened, so we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. I think we covered them all. Yeah, H. So we didn't B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. We have one extra one. So I'm going to delete this last one. Remove all these unnecessary spaces. And you can see we have 10 user inputs now that allow the user to enter these 10 phrases without us interrupting them. Now once they're done with that, we're going to display what they've entered back to them in chronological order, numbering from number 1 is A, number 2 is B, number 3 is C, number 4 is D, and so on, till we get to J to end the program. So we're going to see out number 1, and we can just create an inline as well, and we'll make this even simpler. We'll create the space to enter the variable before we copy it. Copy, paste, and we got the space again. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and send these back to the person and show them what they entered. Okay, so as you can see already from this program, this is very tedious and you really don't want to end up doing this. This is why you create arrays. But again, we're doing longhand just so you get a better understanding of how this works. So 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, 4 is D, so if you wonder why I'm looking at my keyboard, literally there's so much stuff on my desk, like it, you don't even know. So basically that's all I'm going to say. So that's basically it. We outputted everything. We're going to go ahead and run this, and we have our program. So we're done with our first challenge. We're just going to go ahead and make sure it works. So the first word we're going to enter, and I'll just enter real words just for the sake of being bored, text space, and we'll enter YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. You can follow me on all these as well. just a little advice. So that's it with that. And we can say whatever, J or K, L, M, N, O. Okay, I was wondering when we had 10. So now we're done. We entered 10 things. We entered obviously 10 different strings, and it sent us back what we entered in order. So entered the text space, we got the text space as 1. Entered YouTube, we got YouTube as 2. Entered Facebook, we got Facebook as 3. So on and so on. You can just keep doing this over and over, obviously, but use arrays to make it a little bit simpler and just to make it work a lot better for you in the long run. Other than that, thank you guys for watching this first challenge video. If you like this challenge video, if you want more videos like this, even though the webcam video or the webcam recording is pretty shitty, let me know and I'll make another one. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the rest of my channel for the greatest, like I always say in my comments or in my description, for the greatest tech videos on YouTube, because literally no one's teaching you how I am. No one's showing you all this content this consistently and actually cares to give you the actual truth to it and not, clickbait you and think they know what they're talking about, but they really don't know what they're talking about. I know what I'm talking about. You can come to my channel and always trust my content. So subscribe. I'll have tons of great videos, and I'll see you guys in the future.